This is just to show that these bird-proof, so-called bird-proof nets on fruit trees don't always work. This bird isn't trapped in there. He knows how to get out. It's a nectarine tree, and I'm up at Bilpin in New South Wales where they grow a lot of fruit, apples, stone fruit and so on. And this bird net wasn't secured down at the bottom of the trunk of this tree. And this little guy just hopped in on the underneath, and now he's quite happily in the tree. He got in down there. And I can see where he's been attacking the nectarines, little bugger. A lovely little bird. Not quite sure what it is. So, secure your fruit, secure your bird nets properly at the ground, or else your feathered friends will still get to the fruit.